coming to our dress rehearsal, guys. No problem. Now, where are the dresses we're rehearsing?
There are no dresses, Pixie.
Don't worry, I brought my own, just in case.
That guy would have loved your art if he'd actually seen it and thought it was done by an adult.
I could try to grow up really fast. Taxes, property rates, high-fiber cereal. Is it working?
We sold out thanks to that dog.
Dog? You told us you were a unicorn! Imposter! Aww, I can't stay mad at a puppy.
How do we find this bike?
I was thinking we could put missing posters around the neighborhood.
But if the posters are missing, how will we find them? Oh, here they are! Yay! There's gotta be a way to get Unicorn down.
All we need is something Unicorn cares about.
Yes, and then we'll have him right where we want him. Which is here, so we can get back to sliding again. Yay! I lost something once. And you know who took it? The Tooth Fairy! Oh, but she's not a thief. She gave me this for it. A do-it-yourself paper airplane kit. Those who dig here will bathe in my treasure. No thanks. I tried that once. I'm still finding coins in weird places.
At least we tried.
Yeah, look on the bright side. But don't look directly at it without sunglasses. Hey, have you guys ever heard of the placebo effect? Sure. It's when putting a pretty building in your pretty garden makes it even prettier. That's the gazebo effect.
Thanks for offering to help me spread the word about the slam. Pitch me your ideas. Nothing is too out there.
Ooh, let's teach kittens to sing about it. Meow, 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 meow.
I stand corrected.